Hi great people, it's Friday evening. Nakarating ako ng SM Fairview, kakahanap ng ATM. Nagulat ako, bakit ganyan ang daming tao? Anong meron? It's September 9. Since marami namang ATM dyan sa labas, so hindi na ako pumasok. Dito lang ako and then, yan yung mga may terminal kasi dyan going to nearby places. Kaya pansin nyo, ang pila umabot hanggang Regalado Avenue side. Then itong side naman, going doon sa harapan is the Quirino Highway na kung saan harap niya is Fairview Terraces. Ayan siya. Tapos yung mga jeep going to the left side, it's going to Novaliches, Pinta, Valenzuela, and minsan papuntang Enle. Ayan. And then syempre yung may bridge siya para makatawid. Okay. And then itong side naman na to, ito yung mga jeep, mga sasakyan galing ng Commonwealth Avenue. It's one way lang. Dito sa dulo ng SM, dun sila maghihiwalay to the left and to the right. To the left, going to Novaliches, Quezon City. And to the right, yan yung papuntang sa San Jose, Bulacan, and North Caloocan. Yung nakikita nyo naman dyan sa taas, yan yung MRT 7 going to San Jose, Bulacan, galing ng North Avenue.